Hello everyone. Recently, a few days back, I released a book titled Mastering SQL, a comprehensive guide to database mastery. I'm selling this book ebook format from my website rajamanikam.com, and it is available at Amazon also. At Amazon, you can buy it for Kindle as well as paperback version also there. Okay. In this video, I will give some overview about this book. Okay, and in the coming days, I'm planning to do one-on-one coaching for teaching SQL. If many people are showing interest, and if I'm not getting enough time to teach them individually, I will be running a group or batch kind of coaching. Okay, so just to subscribe to this channel so that you can get future updates. So this book covers these topics, very basic things. So mostly it will be useful for beginners as well as advanced users also. Starting with basic things: what is SQL, why we should learn SQL, that kind of stuff. Okay, and common SQL commands, hands-on exercises. Okay, and the intermediate concept like joins, aggregations, grouping, subqueries, nested queries, that kind of stuff. And even this covers advanced topics like CTEs, indexing, and other performance optimization things. Okay, as well as transactions, rollbacks, that kind of stuff. Okay, and very general things like views, stored procedure, other things. And apart from that, it is covering specialized things like advanced data types, full text search, that kind of stuff. Okay, and it's covering like SQL cloud databases also, very basic things. Okay, I am having separate book for Snowflake also. If you are interested, you can check that. And the key about this book is I included a lot of topics related to AI related things. Okay, how to use ChatGPT effectively for writing SQL queries, that kind of stuff. Apart from that, lot of AI related topics. Okay, as you know, in the coming days, AI will be playing very important role. You might be knowing the role of AI in our daily lives across various applications, especially in SQL related things. It can play an important role. Okay, so I thought of including a lot of topics related to AI. Okay, you can go through that. Okay, this is the overall structure of this book. Okay, so just you can go through that. So right now I'm offering it for very low price. Okay, then maybe after some time, after getting reviews and feedback and comments, then I will be increasing the price. Okay, so if you're interested, you can buy it now. Okay, just I'm going through quickly. Mostly in 1 or 2 days, I will be starting this kind of coaching also. Okay, I will be explaining all the things. For very basic things, I'm planning to do group or batch kind of thing, because that will be common for everyone, right? But for advanced things, everyone will be having their own set of questions. Okay, and even someone will be requiring some kind of help for creating their application, right? So in that kind of stuff, I'm planning to provide one-on-one coaching. Okay, in that case, I'll be charging based on hourly rates. Okay, again, I'm planning to start with some low price. So these are the things I put significant effort in arranging that content. Okay, so and if you're interested to review this, just to contact me. Okay, so mostly I'm interested in getting feedback, especially I would like to know whether any mistake is there in this ebook. Okay, I already provided some review copies to get that feedback. Right now, as of now, I'm not getting any issues. Okay. Okay. And I include a lot of interview questions also, so that people who are preparing for job search, it will be useful for them also. Okay. A lot of things are there, especially AI related things. I added a lot of topics. By going through that things, you will be understanding the need for learning AI also. Just knowing SQL is not enough, because in the coming days everyone will be using AI. We need not be writing query manually. Okay, so for that purpose, it is important to learn AI. So I'm planning to release a course for teaching about using AI. Already I have ChatGPT Gemini course. Apart from that, I'm planning to create a complete course, like what is AI in that perspective, okay, and what are the common AI applications, like that. It's for complete beginners, okay. So I'll be informing about that in the coming days, okay. So I have a lot of plans to release a lot of courses, ebooks, and one-on-one coaching. Okay, so if you are interested to use that opportunity, you can just contact me. Okay. For more ebooks, you can visit my website rajamanikyam.com, or you can check my Amazon also. Okay. Thanks. Bye.